Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Cheta and I share content relating to skincare, beauty and lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing products and a routine for body care. So if you're someone who suffers from dull looking skin tone, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and you're looking to brighten up your skin and your body, then this video is for you. So if this is something that you're interested in, stick around and keep watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get straight into the video. So body care routine is categorized into two. There's the in-shower routine and then the out-of-shower routine. The in-shower refers to the actions that are taken to cleanse our skin of the dirt and the sweat. And this refers to using our body soaps and body washes and also exfoliating the skin to get rid of dead skin cells. The out-of-shower routine refers to targeted actions to treat specific concerns. So you have your body lotion to nourish and hydrate your skin, body oils to seal in moisture, and then sunscreen as well to protect your skin. As we know, the first step in a body routine is the cleansing. And with cleansing, we use body soaps and washes. It is very important to consider the ingredients being used in body soaps while purchasing them. This is why I would always recommend baby soaps because these soaps are made to be gentle and nourishing. One product that I would always share and has worked for me is the Johnson baby soap. Now, this product is made with honey. In that sense, it doesn't strip your skin of its natural oils and doesn't make your skin feel tight and dry after showering. Alternatively, if you prefer to get a body wash instead, you can go for body washes like the Saint Ives body wash or the Dove nourishing body wash. The next step on the list is exfoliating, and exfoliating helps to remove the dead skin cells on your body. This can be done using a scrub or this popular African sponge. Some of the benefits of exfoliating include it helps to reduce the appearance of textured skin. So if your skin looks like it has some spots on it, with consistent exfoliation, it would help remove those uneven and bumpy looking skin to reveal a more radiant and glowy looking skin tone as well. For exfoliating products, one product that you can go for is this Dove exfoliating body polish. Now there are different variants of this product, but this one comes in the oatmeal and calendula oil. That's a mouthful. So with exfoliating, you don't want to go overboard with it. It is recommended that you exfoliate your body at least 2 to 3 times a week. This consistent action will ensure that your body is softer, your skin becomes softer, and that those patchiness and rough and looking dull texture reduces over time. After exfoliating, the next step is an out of shower routine, which is moisturizing. And for moisturizing, if you want to brighten your skin tone, you have to be looking out for products that have ingredients such as niacinamide, alpha arbutin, and vitamin C. This is because this product specifically targets the melanin production in your skin and helps to even out your skin tone when you are suffering from hyperpigmentation. When you have hyperpigmentation, there's the issue of your skin producing more melanin than required in specific areas, which makes your skin look darker than usual. A body lotion that I would recommend that would help with brightening your skin tone is the Ole Vitamin C body lotion. It comes with ingredients such as niacinamide, vitamin C that specifically help with brightening the skin tone. Other recommended body lotions are the examples shown on the screen. It's not only just to focus on getting a body lotion that helps with brightening your skin tone, you also have to use a body lotion that moisturizes as well. These body lotions typically come with ingredients such as glycerin, hyaluronic acid, or ceramides, and these are ingredients that would hydrate, nourish, and keep in the moisture that is required to prevent your skin from looking dry and dull. After moisturizing, the next step is a body oil. Body oils are super important because they help to lock in moisture and they leave your skin feeling soft and supple afterwards. One of my absolute body oils is the Pears body oil. And this is because this body oil is super affordable and it just does the job. Like it makes your body feel silky, it keeps in all the moisture, it hydrates, it nourishes, and it is mild and gentle on the skin. And this is an oil that will not break your bank, like it won't break your account balance. So this is one that I recommend that a lot of us get because it just does the job. You get it. But if you're looking for other alternatives, you can go for the Vaseline Cocoa Intensive Body Oil. This one is infused with cocoa butter to keep your skin nourished. You can also use bio oil. Bio oil is specifically for skin concerns like stretch marks or acne scars. So I would still recommend that you pair a hydrating body oil while using maybe the bio oil, for example, because that is just for treatment. The last step is to go in with your sunscreen. Now, sunscreen helps to protect your skin from the harsh rays of the sun and ensures that all the products that you have been using, it doesn't waste, like you are seeing the impact. Because what's the point of using all of these products to brighten your skin tone and then you're not protecting your skin afterwards? When getting sunscreen, always ensure to go for sunscreen from SPF 30. That's the minimum. If you can get something of SPF 50, that is even better. SPF refers to the level of sun protection that that particular sunscreen product offers. Apply your sunscreen every day to ensure that your skin is well protected and then you don't get dull and hyperpigmentation, especially when you are exposed to the strong and harsh rays of the sun. And that's it, guys. A body care routine that hydrates, nourishes, and brightens your skin tone for a radiant glow. So just to quickly recap, always ensure that you get body soaps that are moisturizing and you exfoliate your skin at least 2 to 3 times a week, locking all the products with a body oil, and never skip your sunscreen. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. You can also share any skincare questions that you have or any videos on skincare that you'd like me to create. I'll be on the lookout for them. I'll also share the full list of products in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.